2.7 Contingent contracts. Meaning of contingent contracts. A contingent contract is a contract to do or not to do something in some event collateral to such a contract does or does not happen. Characteristics of a contingent contract. The performance of contract depends upon happening or non-happening of some event. The event is a future event. The future event must be uncertain. If the event is certain or is bound to happen, the contract is not valid. But if the time of happening of the future event is uncertain, it amounts as uncertain event and the contract valid. The uncertain future event is collateral, that is incidental to the contract. Where the event is sole determining factor, the contract is labeled as wagering agreement. Rules regarding the performance of contingent contracts. In the event of happening, contract is not enforceable until the future event happens. In the event of non-happening, contract is enforced if the happening of future event becomes impossible. Happening of event within a specified period. Contract is enforced only if the future event happens within the specific time. Non-happening of event within a specified period. Contract is enforced only if the happening of future event becomes impossible within the fixed time. Impossible event. Contract becomes void. Supervening impossibility, contract becomes void. Effect of illegality, contract becomes void. Certainty of event, contract becomes void. Uncertain as to time of happening, contract becomes valid. Wagering agreements. A wagering agreement is a promise to give money or money's worth upon the determination or ascertainment of an uncertain event. There are 3 points to be noticed. It must be promised either to pay money or to give something which has a monetary value. This promise must necessarily be conditional on the happening of an event specified at the time of promise. This event must be an uncertain one in the sense that it is to happen in the future and nobody knows whether it will happen or not. Essentials of a wagering agreement. Nature of promise. Uncertain event. Mutual chance of gain or loss. No control over the event. Future event is sole determining factors. Effect of wagering agreements. Wagering agreements are expressly declared as void under the Contract Act 2056. Money deposited with a person to be paid to the party winning upon wager cannot be recovered by the winner from the stakeholders. In case of agent and principal relation, an agent cannot recover against the principal any money paid on a wager entered into on behalf of his principal. B. The principal cannot sue agent where he fails to carry out his instruction in respect of a wagering transaction, and C. Where the agent receives the winnings on successful bets made on behalf of his principal, he is bound to hand over he had received the money in respect of a void transaction. The transaction collateral to the wagering agreements are not affected and stand valid as they are only void.